Hello and welcome to Social. Today we'll react to aespa's B-side Switchblade music video. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, more B-side MVs.
I got flash, I got flames. Now that blank, I ain't got no limits. One time, got bad. Do it for me, cause you're romantic. Deep back into the like a merry-go-round, round, round, round. So I'm changing it up right now. What's my name? I know you heard it.
I love the music video concept.
What's my name? I know you know though that 가볍게 세우고. Now it's time to
Oh.
let's go. Switch it up, 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 switch it up. Switch it up, 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 switch it up. Press, click, switch. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up.
That's a real nice kick actually. aespa really is really at the top. Those four are just chef kiss together. Ooh. Rebels. And I love that it wasn't just a quickly made music video for it either. Whoa! Oh. Oh. Wow. That's actually really cool that he was in the music video. This is a real collab. Such a fun music video. Really good song. I wonder how they designed those scores. Cool ending. Honestly, Switchblade, he actually fit he actually fit aespa's work. I mean music, and it again, like their collab with G-Dragon, it didn't feel like, oh, he was just there to push them up or something. No, they made an actual collaborative song together, and he's in the music video. Cool. I hope you enjoy my reaction. As always, please hit that like button. Please comment, learn, fan. Please subscribe, and have a fantastic day. See you soon.